Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. For generate 3D models, I will use High 3D. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new composition. Add name 3D animation, presets full HD size, frame rate 25 and seconds 20 seconds, and OK. Before create animation, I want to generate 3D models. Let's switch to high3d.ai. I haven't done 3D modeling for a year now. I heard you say why. Because there is no need for it anymore. I generate my 3D models with high 3D. Let me show how. So on dashboard, we can see text to image, 3D generation, stylizer texture, split to print, and multicolor print. If you're interested with printing, you can use this multicolor printing like these examples. Also split to printing. If you want to print toys or other technical models, you can use this split to printing. You can choose 6 parts, 5, 4, 3 or 2 parts, and we can see examples here. So first one, let's text to image, and I will write here prompt for generate first one image and models. We can choose models here, Seedreams, GPT image 2 and Nano Banana. I will choose Nano Banana 2, and also we can upload the reference image here, paste here prompt. So I can write here very simple prompt and AI models will understand what I need. Let's write create 3D style fridge background. So we can choose size here. Let's choose 16:9. Image samples 4. We can enable multi-view here, and style. We can choose styles here. Let's generate this image. Here we go, we have 4 examples. I will choose this version. Click image choose 3D. So on settings we can choose model version. I will choose version 2.1. This is new version. And model type fast and quality. Let's choose quality. Generate type geometry or geometry styles texture. I will choose with texture and click generate. So let's wait for result. So guys, let me show this. We can see 2 sections here. First section 3D generation and the second section texture generating. So guys, it's done and here we go. Results is very well. We can see UV texture is very better, and this model details, these stickers and these parts and backside very well. I love it. Also we have some buttons here for printing or editing, and for see details we can choose with diffuse. Okay, we can see our details, nice, and we can see without shadows and with normal map. Let's back to with texture, and now we can get this model in our computer. Let's go to here. We have 3D formats. GLB, this is better for After Effects. OBJ, this is for After Effects, and other 3D packages like an Element 3D, Blender, Cinema 4D, and others. I will choose OBJ. And let's click this button. So guys, for save timing, let's generate another 3D models quickly. Let's do it. So guys, I will generate 2 models like this. Let's zoom to see details. Real textures, UV mapping, so clean and so professional. And also let's see with diffuse. Okay, let's see details. Nice. And next model, like this car. And let's zoom to details. We can see all details really so professional, clean and detailed. Let's click for see model. Okay, that's really cool. So guys, in this time I will try some images with fast model type, and I will share the results with you. With fast model type we can also generate fast and high quality 3D models. Let's go to text images and choose this some fridge image. Click image to video, and now again choose here version 2.1, and model type I will choose fast. Okay, and with texture and generate. So guys, we can see 2 preview on the screen. On the left side is quality mode type, and the right side is fast model type, and the both version are quality generated and the textures are amazing. So guys, welcome back to After Effects, and in this time let's firstly create new background layer with solid layer. Add name background and OK. Go to effects presets, search effect fill, choose fill use for background, and color let's choose blue, and here light blue. Click OK and lock layer. So in this time, go to shape layer, hold this icon, choose rounded rectangle tool and enable title action save. And let's create like this shape layer. Go to fill and choose color white. Let's turn off title action save. Open rectangle 1, rectangle path 1. Change redness for smooth corners. Go to FX preset, search effect drop shadow and choose drop shadow, use for shape layer and change distance and softness and color. Let's use background color blue and change color like this. Go to text and let's write here home. And now go to shape layers again and render rectangle tool. Let's create one shape layer like this here. Clickation tool and go to, let's click fill. Choose here linear gradient. Click OK. And let's click for change gradient colors. I will use this pink color. And here color setup like this. And change grid to down. Okay, let's open inside rectangle 1, rectangle path 1, change for smooth corners, and Control D for duplicate, move to right. So in this time, let's right click new and null object and move the anchor point center, hold Control, again click here, select these all shape layers. Link to camera movement and select camera movement, press S, open scale and change scale for full screen. So in this time, let's use 3D models. First one, let's go to layer, new and solid layer. Add name model 1 and OK. Go to FX, video copilot, element and choose this model 1. Let's Control D for duplicate, change name model 2, again Control D, model 3. So let's choose this model 1, go to scene setup and import. We have 3 models here. Let's open first folder and choose model and open. Click OK, normalize size, go to surface options, choose here auto normals for better texture and let's zoom to see details. Okay, and let's turn off draft textures for full quality texture. And here we go, it works. And let's open inside material and change this glossiness like this 100 and reflective. Let's change a little bit for reflection. Nice. And go to presets, environment, and let's use backlight 2K. Nice. And okay. And let's go to our transform. And we can move to here this. Let's change quality quarter. Let's move to like this. So select this model 2, go to scene setup and import. Let's back to high 3D folder, choose folder 2 and model, open, click OK. Again normalize size. Model is very good. We can see all details, textures, colors very well. And again go to presets, environment, and click backlight and open this material face, change glossiness 100 and this for reflection and okay. So open world transform and rotation, change rotation like this and select this model 3, go to again scene setup, import, go to high 3D folder, folder 3, choose model, open, okay. And normalize size. Okay, and turn off draft texture and open inside again material, change material glossiness 100 and intensity and presets and change to backlight. Nice, we can change a little bit for more reflection and okay. And again select this model, go to world transform. In this time, I will add some text here about the products, also here and here. Let's do this fast. So in this time, let's go to 4 seconds and select this camera movement null object, press S and create new scale keyframe. Go to here and change 100% and make keyframes easy. And let's go to back, select this model 1, 2, 3 and link to camera movement. Let's see. Okay, and select keyframes, go to graph editor, zoom to graph, and let's make smooth graph animation. And change duration a little bit and choose this work area. Let's see. So in this time, let's go to here, go to like this, and select these first shape layers. Select this pink layer, press P, and create new position keyframe. Go to here and move to left. And select keyframes, make it easy. Go to graph editor, make smooth graph. And let's see. Choose this work area for 3 seconds. Okay, now select this purple, go to again last keyframe, press P, create new position keyframe, and go to back, move to up. Select keyframes, make it easy. Again, make smooth graphs. And select this layer green, press P, go to last keyframe, create new position keyframe, and go to first second, move to down. Make keyframes easy. Again, graph editor, make smooth graph, and preview animation. Okay, select this model 1. This is for 3D model, and create new position keyframe with world transform. Press U, and go to here. Let's move to left. And make keyframes easy. Okay, and let's see timing. This is last keyframe here, and first keyframe. Let's move to left. And select keyframes, go to graph editor, make smooth graph. And preview animation. Okay, not bad. So in this time, let's open world rotation and go to here. Let's create Y rotation keyframe. Press U for new active keyframes. And go to here. Let's change rotation like this. And make keyframes easy. Let's move to left. And graph editor. Make smooth graph. Let's see. Nice. So with rotation, animation is very dynamic. I love it. And in this time, go to here. Let's go to 6 seconds and change rotation for rotate. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So guys, I will use some techniques for other 3D models for saving time. Let's do it. So guys, that's all, and here we go. We have full animation with using generating 3D models. So what I think about this, if you want to make 3D models but you have not time, you can use high 3D features for save you time. It's really helpful tool. I recommend you can use all of them in your projects. I will add the links on description below. You can check out now. Thanks for the watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.